because, non-Muslims are able to put money in savings accounts, and they're able to, generate interest on that and be able to accumulate more than what they put in. Unfortunately, Muslims who want to avoid interest and riba don't have that option. So it's really great that you guys are bringing that option for Muslims to be able to, benefit from, and it's interest free. So if you don't mind me asking, how does it work, right? Because it is interest free. So where is that extra money coming from exactly?
So the way in which a lot of Islamic banks generate a return or a halal profit as opposed to interest, it's basically all about what they're doing with people's deposits. So conventional banks, which are non-Islamic, they're lending your money out. Whether it's a current account or a savings account, 70 to 80% of that money is being lent out for all kinds of purposes, to big businesses, people you may agree with and you may not agree with, and they generate a return on those loans, interest, which they'll give some of it back to you if you have a savings account, but most of it they keep. And that's how banking works. That's called fractional reserve banking. What Islamic banks do is they do something similar, but they only lend out that money. First of all, it's a completely Islamic Sharia structured product, so there's no interest involved. But secondly, they only lend it out to certain halal providers. So a lot of it goes towards home purchase products here in the UK. So that money is lent out to people taking out Islamic mortgages who pay a rate of return every single month, and some of that money is shared back to you. So it's trying to take it away from interest, and not just the money which is received, trying not to base that on interest, but also in the contracts which are drawing it up, if that makes sense.
Yeah, no, definitely. And that's really great because it actually creates an ecosystem where everyone benefits, right? So you have the people that are actually taking out those loans that are benefiting because they're able to now purchase homes that they couldn't before. You're now also benefiting people who are wanting to save, and by having them benefit from that as well. And so it creates this beautiful ecosystem where, the money circulates and it benefits everyone. So that's an interesting concept. And it shows you that, there are ways to accumulate money and actually, increase your wealth that don't necessarily have to fall into riba.
Assalamu alaikum. You've just watched a clip from our Ummahpreneur Live Podcast, where I interview high-level Muslim entrepreneurs at the top of their game to break down business, mindset, lifestyle, and entrepreneurship from an Islamic perspective. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more and make sure to check out the full interview that's linked in the description below this video. I'll see you there. Assalamu alaikum.